Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will be learning about BMI calculation. So after watching this video, you would be able to calculate your BMI also within a minute. So first of all, let us know about the BMI. So what is BMI? BMI is body mass index. So it is an index which tells you the fatness of your body. So in simple words, if you are having a high BMI, so it tells you that your body is having high fatness. If it is low, then it tells you that you are having thinness. Okay, so in simple words, it is the BMI. Okay, so how to calculate it? To calculate it, what are the things which are needed? So your height is needed and the weight is needed. Okay, if a person's BMI is to be calculated, so height and weight of that person is to be is required. Okay, so how to calculate? What is the formula? The BMI is weight in kg divided by height square. Okay, and height should be in meter only. Okay, as you can see in the formula, weight should be in kg and the height should be in meter. So I will be calculating the BMI of a person who is having 70 kg of weight and his height is 170 centimeter, for example, to understand it easily. Okay, so weight is 70 kg and height is 170 centimeters. So as you can see, the height is in 17 centimeters, but we generally measures in centimeters only. So first we have to convert the centimeter into meter. So how to convert? It is the derivation is given, as you can see in the 100 centimeter having 1 meter, so 1 centimeter would be having 1.70 meter. Okay, so 170 centimeters will be equal to 1.70 meter, as you can see here. Okay, so in the formula we will put the value. So BMI is weight divided by height square in meter. So as we have calculated, 170 centimeter equal to 1.70 meter. So 70 divided by 1.70 ka square, it would be, as you can see, 1.70 ka square is equal to 2.89. So 70 divided by 2.89 will be 24.22. So the BMI of that person is 24.22. Now we will check whether this BMI is in normal category or it is having any other fact related to it. So as you can see in the chart, the BMI between 18.5 to 25, it is normal, and if it crosses 25 and it is between 25 to 30, it it falls in the category of overweight, and after that obese class 1, 2 and 3. And as you can see, 17 to 18.5, it shows mild thinness, moderate thinness is 16 to 17, and below 16 it is severe thinness. So as you can see in the chart, and it is the data given by the World Health Organization, so it is both for male and female also. So at I will be also providing you a chart where you can where you can compare your weight with the ideal weight, what you should be having as per your height. So as you can see here, the height is given in the meters and feet also. If you know your height in feet and meter, any of these would be okay. If you know your height in meter, or if you know your height in centimeters, so please convert it into meter, and you can compare the ideal weight, what should be what you should your what should be your ideal weight. Here in the table it is given, you can compare it, and I hope that after watching this you would be able to uh, calculate or measure your BMI easily. Thank you so much for watching.